Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Bentley Continental GT key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are readily available at most electronic stores. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, providing ample visibility for the small components you will be handling. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient battery replacement process. Now let's access the battery compartment. On the side of your key fob, you will find a small, discreet release button. Press this button firmly, and the emergency physical key will slide out. Next, locate the small slot near where the physical key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid any damage. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Carefully remove the depleted CR2032 battery. Before inserting the new one, take a moment to observe the orientation of the old battery, noting which side was facing up. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Now, place the fresh CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency physical key back into its designated slot until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it is fully seated. Now, test your newly refreshed key fob by locking and unlocking your Bentley Continental GT to confirm full functionality. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.